So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add animations to images here in Design Wizard. So first thing you have to do is open up Design Wizard, then go to the left hand side of your screen, press on the Elements tab right here, then go to Photos and import, or I guess add a photo or an image into your design. So we're just going to go ahead here, and for simplicity's sake, we'll use this photo right here of what appears to be a soccer player or a football player, depending on where you are in the world, tying their shoe. So we're going to go ahead here and just wait a couple seconds. There you go. Here's the image. Now, if you want to add animations to this image, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the image, go to the top right here, and where it says animation, simply just press an animation. Then on the left hand side of your screen, you can add some animation. So you can move it, you can fade it, you can baseline, tumble. You can do this on, enter, exit, both. You can increase the speed, whatever the case may be. You can get creative and play around with it that way. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add animation to images here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.